Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to transfer image style from one image to another. So, let's get started. To begin, let us open your preferred web browser and head to Phosus.com. If you are new to Phosus, don't worry. I recommend watching my in-depth video guide titled Getting Started with Phosus. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up your account seamlessly. However, if you are already familiar with the platform, simply log in to access your customized dashboard. Now that we have successfully logged into the system, let us embark on our journey right away. Our first destination is the dashboard button, which you can conveniently find nestled in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is where our adventure begins. So let's go ahead and take a moment to explore your dashboard. It is a creative hub filled with a wide array of powerful tools designed to elevate your image editing experience. To embark on our image style transfer journey, navigate to the left side and select Tools. Alternatively, if you prefer a more relaxed scroll, continue downwards until you stumble upon the feature we are eager to use, Style Transfer. By clicking on Style Transfer, you will step into the realm of image enhancement. It is time to choose the photo you want to incorporate the style from. You have two convenient options here. You can either upload your image with a simple click or streamline the process further by effortlessly dragging and dropping your chosen image into the designated area. Now, it is time to select the image that you want to change the style of. So just select the images one by one. First is the image you want to copy the style, and then the image you want to change the style. Once both images are uploaded, you will notice a slider on the right side that allows you to control the strength of the style transfer. Move it to the right for a stronger effect or to the left for a more subtle change. After adjusting the strength, click on the Apply Style button. Phosus will then intelligently analyze both images, extracting the style from one and applying it to the other. It is like magic happening right before your eyes. Now, let's address a key factor: patience. The speed of this process depends on your internet speed. For those fortunate enough to have high-speed internet, the transformation will occur in the blink of an eye. However, if your internet connection is on the slower side, don't worry. The exceptional results you will achieve are well worth a brief wait. And there you have it. Your image has been flawlessly transformed with the style you desired. Take a moment to admire your photo. Now, infused with a new creative flair, you can use this image for a variety of purposes, from personal projects to professional presentations. But wait, there is one final step: downloading your enhanced masterpiece. A simple click on the download button will prompt Phosus to efficiently save your transformed image to your device. It is important to remember that each download consumes some credits, so use them thoughtfully. Enjoy your beautifully edited images and revel in the newfound freedom of creativity that Phosus offers. That's it! You have successfully learned how to transfer image style from one image to another with Phosus. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional graphic designer, or someone who simply enjoys enhancing images, Phosus is a versatile tool that can take your creations to the next level. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips, and keep exploring the boundless possibilities of image editing with Phosus. Thank you for watching, and until next time.